My name is Olushesio Indolapo. I'm a student still seeking admission. I want to ask, my question is like this. I believe marriage should be a love affair. I believe couples should marry themselves because they love each other. But I've seen Muslim brothers who are Muslim sisters who will say that they can't marry a person out of their religion. And if they eventually marry a person that is a Christian or that is a Christian, they will convert the person into Islam. How true is that supposed to be? Isn't it supposed to be, aren't they supposed to leave themselves to practice their religion? Thank you, that's my question, sir.
The brother asked the question that a person should marry the girl he loves and a girl should marry the boy she loves. Marriage is love. In Islam, they will not marry until they convert the person to the religion. Why is it so? The reason is Allah says in the Quran in Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse number 221 that do not marry a mushrika, do not marry an idolatress, a non-Muslim lady until she believes. A Muslim lady, a mu'mina, who's a believer, she's much better than a mushrika even if she allows you. A Muslim girl, even she may be a bondwoman, she may be a slave woman, she's far better than a girl which may be the richest girl in the world, which may be the most beautiful girl in the world. She may be a queen. Because a Muslim woman who has faith is far better than a non-Muslim who does not have faith. Similarly, the verse continues that do not marry a mushrik man until he believes. A mu'min, a Muslim man, a man who has faith, even if he's a bondsman, he's much better than a mushrik, than an idolater, even if he allows you. He may be the most handsome man in the world, he may be the richest man in the world, but if he's a mushrik doing shirk, associating partners, you cannot marry him. The reason is, what is the reason? The reason is that normally when you have a car, there are 4 tires to a car. All the 4 tires should be equal. You can't have one tire which is the tractor's tire and the other is the bicycle tire. If you have a tractor tire and a bicycle tire, the car will not run, correct? All should be equal. So in Islam, when we believe that a person who does shirk, he will not go to Jannah, he will not enter paradise. And if you love the person, how would you want your beloved person to go to hell? So if I love a girl, and if the girl is mushrik and if I know she's going to go to hell, so useless marrying her. I can tell, okay, I will marry you only if you become a Muslim. That means if I love her, I want her to go to paradise. If I don't want her to go to paradise, what is the use of the love? So if you love someone, you would surely want her to go to paradise. So maybe you can blackmail her. You marry me. If you want to marry me, you'll have to change your faith. Only if you change your faith, will we both go to heaven. If we can't go to heaven, then what is the use of making love here? So if you want to marry someone, you have to see that a life partner is also of the same faith, so that both of them go to Jannah. That is true love. It is false love that you want to go to paradise and a life partner doesn't want to go. Therefore, for that, both should have the same faith. That's the reason it's compulsory for a non-Muslim to become a Muslim before he marries a Muslim. Hope that answers the question.